After the Jallianwala Bagh incident, people started protesting in their own way, and it was Rabindranath Tagore who renounced his knighthood. And we also see that Mahatma Gandhi gave a call to the Hindus and the Muslims to stand up and be united against the British Raj. Therefore, the incidents which occurred after this are something like the unity between the Hindus and the Muslims. First of all occurred the Khilafat Agitation. A harsh peace treaty had been signed with the Caliph of Turkey, which is supposed to be the head of the Muslims in the world, and thus all the Muslims all over the world started protesting against this treaty. And similarly in India, Muhammad Ali and Shaukat Ali, the two brothers, started with the Khilafat Agitation in India. They started demanding from the Britishers that such a peace treaty should be repealed, and they started protesting against the British Raj. Gandhiji took advantage of this situation as he wanted to unite both the Hindus and the Muslims, and he told the people to come and join hands with him. Therein started the non-cooperation movement in India, which aimed at not to cooperate with the British government at all. So everybody started not cooperating with the government in their own way. In the non-cooperation movement, the people demanded that there should be some kind of relief to the people who had been killed at the Jallianwala Bagh. General Dyer should be punished, and the Khilafat issue, that is the Caliph of Turkey, should be given a liberal treaty. Now the students protested in their own manner by leaving schools and colleges. The people in general started boycotting the British made goods and started using the Swadeshi, and the lawyers left their practice. Everything was almost at a break. That is, the people had thought of very strong protest against the Britishers. We will see in detail what many people felt about the protest that they had to do and how they did. At Kheda in Gujarat, the Pattidars, they wanted reduction in the revenue which they had gained due to the interference of Mahatma Gandhi. In Andhra Pradesh, the people started picketing liquor shops. In Andhra Pradesh, also we see that the tribals specially wanted to protest against the new forest laws, and sometimes they used to let in their cattle inside the forest so that they could graze. All these people felt that Swaraj has to come, Gandhi Raj has to come, and then there shall be unity, peace and freedom amongst them. The Muslims got united because of the Khilafat issue, whereas the Akalis wanted to protest against their corrupt Mahants whom they believed had joined hands with the Britishers. And in the tea plantations of Assam, we see that the workers were demanding liberation. They were wanting freedom from the tea planters because they had been kept as bonded laborers, and they started asking for more and more freedom, and they gave the slogan of Mahatma Gandhi ki jai and Bharat Mata ki jai. So which meant that at this time the people had made up their mind to protest, to go against the Britishers, not to cooperate with them, and thus gain freedom.